quick video update on the Tungsten Moon project that I'm working on for about the past year. This is the current version 1.0.8, currently flying above the Tungsten Moon. I want to show you how to install or how to load up the latest FMS software for any updates that you get in Tungsten Moon. So if you press the escape key or the menu button on your controller, you come to this game menu, and what you want to do here is click erase saved game and start new. That is the only way that you can load new firmware into your flight management system. Otherwise, it just uses the firmware that was there from your previous save. It's actually a pretty neat feature. Anyway, when you click that, you're really starting a new game, and you've wiped out the memory in your flight management system and gone to defaults, which is what we have here. So SkyDart FMS version 1.0.1 or 0. And there's one function in here, which is chronometer. I'll explain this menu in a moment. I want to show you that we can do all this while the spacecraft is in flight. We can actually move around and manipulate the spacecraft while we're doing things on the flight management computer, which of course is a useful tool. So while we're flying, I'm going to go in here and take a close look at what this offers. So right now we're showing the mission time in hours, minutes, and seconds. This is the same thing that we have here on the panel. It's been there since a long time ago. I'm probably going to get rid of this and just go to this little FMS display. The other thing that's cool here is there's now a timer. So we can count up in tenths of a second. We can count down in tenths of a second. We can reset the timer to 0 and stop it. And the neat thing is we can actually set a countdown. So if I go in here and type in a number on the keypad, it puts that number into a scratch pad register, and I can press the set key and it moves that number into the timer value. And now press down and it starts counting down. This is useful for a lot of navigation things. If you're going like in some direction at some speed and you want to do it for a certain amount of time, this is a great way to keep track of that instead of doing it all in your head. So, Tungsten Moon. This is a demo. This is version 1.0.8. This is free on Steam. So you can go to the website tungstenmoon.com, or you can go to Steam and search for Tungsten Moon. Download the demo. If it looks interesting to you, try it out. Let me know what you think. Thank you.